guys, Wolfie here. So I'm just gonna look. I'm outside. What gave it away that it wasn't? Anyways, so I was watching Jadien Animations. She'd made a video introducing her bird, Ollie. He's so cute. I want a bird, and I have one right here. This is Ranger. Yeah, he does not like cameras. He doesn't look at them. But he is my little birdie. Huh, you're so cute, aren't you? You're a cute little bird. Okay, anyways. Everyone go check out Jadien Animations. That's... I tried to make it a joke. If you don't understand it, I'll tell you the joke. In the video, she calls Ollie a dog, and then she opens the crate and it's a bird. So I switched it around, because it's the dog, so it's a bird. I'm gonna go now, bye. Hi, I'm back. Yeah. So, just want to say that. Bye.